Hi there, welcome back to Pretty Much Flawless. Today in this video, we are going to be looking at linear voltage regulators, how to use them, and how to identify them. Let's get into it. So here's your voltage regulator. So here's the voltage input for the pin out here. Voltage input is pin 1. Pin 2 is the ground, and pin 3 is the voltage output. And as far as telling what the voltage is, apart from testing it, is first of all, you got these numbers 7, 8, and then is either, for example, this one is 05. So, a 7, 8 will indicate if it's a positive voltage regulator or a negative voltage regulator. We'll be doing negative voltage regulators in a future video, but right now we're just going to focus on positive voltage regulators. So, basically what they'll do is they will regulate your voltage. You have incoming signal of, let's say, that varies from 12 to 6 volts. And you want your IC to have a steady 5 volts. So you use something like this, a voltage regulator, to regulate the voltage. So, for example, this number right here, this is 0.5. That will show you that this thing will put out 5 volts when working properly. So, that's what this output voltage, the last two numbers are. These things will come in 7, 8, 15, 12, 9s, 5s, lots of different ranges right here for these numbers right here. So typically you'll either have a 7.8 or a 7.9 for this one right here. 7.9 is a negative voltage regulator, which is the pinout is different and they are different. Again, that'll be covered in a future video. So now let's put this on our breadboard and make it work. Now we have it all wired up. So pin 1, the furthest to the left, is the voltage input pin. That can hand up, these regulators can typically hand up to 35 volts, but check your data sheet. The middle pin is ground, and the third pin here is output. There's a capacitor just to help smooth regulation. We'll show that on the oscilloscope later in this video. So we'll turn on the power supply, turn on the multimeter, and we'll measure some voltages here. So put this on the negative. Here we'll probe the positive rail. There we go. So that's 12.08 volts. And then here we go have our output. Our output is 5.01 volts. So there's our output. Very nice 5 volt output there. So that's how you wire up a voltage regulator. Now let's view some of the signals on the oscilloscope screen. So right now we're scoping the output signal of the regulator. Very nice and clean, nice sharp straight line there. So, yep, that's how you test a regulator. Thanks for watching. Hope you learned something today, and I'll see you next time.